Las Vegas is the entertainment capital of the world, so with limited things to do during this time, we wanted to create something that was safe and fun and approachable.
Modern-day dining scene.
We created a first of its kind self-guided food tour. So you have a minimum of 2 guests, so it'll be yourself, your friends, your loved ones. You will not be grouped with anyone else, and you have VIP seating at each of the 3 restaurants. They're expecting you. As soon as you get seated, they serve you 3 of their most signature dishes, what they're known for. So it's perfect for locals that want to not only see the neighborhood, but also want to try the restaurants and see what they're all about. This is a huge deal because we want to attract visitors to Las Vegas and we want to support locals. So at an approachable price point and something that's safe, where it's limited to just the people that are in your group, it's the perfect experience. It's memorable, it's fun, it's so much more than just going to dinner with a friend. This is an experience that you'll remember forever. Tours are offered in Fremont East. It's $79 per person, and that's all-inclusive, gratuities to the staff of each restaurant, 3 signature dishes, taxes, everything. So I can see this becoming the ultimate date night in Las Vegas for locals.